Oftentimes, when Eli is creating music or creating a meditative piece, I like to use that space to journal or use my tarot cards to seek higher guidance on some questions that we may be facing at the time. And so, keeping with our dedication to our spirit birds this evening, while Eli was taking us on the singing bowl journey, I asked our spirit guides to answer 6 questions. The first question was, what is the meaning of the crow? What is the significance? And the crow is here to remind us of the importance of your mindset when it comes to your ability to create. It speaks to us of our lack mindset and the times when we may feel shut off from the flow of abundance. Crows are here to remind us that our thoughts are the key. The second question I asked was, what is the significance of the Karawong? And the Karawong brings the energy and spirit of a higher source, an energy of clarity and sense, spiritual honor and wisdom. Seeing a Karawong as a sign that there is a spirit guide near you. The third question I asked is, what are the birds trying to tell us? And to that question, I pulled the 8 of Cups in reverse. And I'm going to read from the book what the 8 of Cups in reverse says. This card can represent walking away and then regretting your choice, feeling stuck in your current reality. It can represent fears that block your momentum and escapism and avoidance. As we release our last cup into the sea and our bowl burning ceremony is over, it's time to walk away from something in our lives. Choosing our sacred dream is one of the biggest acts of self-love that you can enact. When you take that very first step, you begin to choose yourself. And there is nothing more healing or more powerful. Find your resolve and untether any anchors that are holding you back. Though your disillusioned heart may require some TLC, you can realign your path by shedding outgrown expectations, hopes, people, ideas, belief, guilt, and ways of being. If you find yourself exhausted or confused or jumping from thing to thing, know that you are entering a mystical period of intense shifting, and that releasing old stories will help you to travel lightly. Go on in the direction of epic dreams, happiness, and greater meaning. The mantra of the birds is to walk away from negativity and choose yourself in a rebellious act of self-love. And my fourth question was, what am I trying to tell the birds? And the response is that we love them, that we honor and appreciate them. They inspire us to create, and it is an honor to keep energy alive with them. And what is the meaning of this? Love, benevolence, duality, union, unity. And what is the meaning of us? To manifest the life you desire through energy and action.